Today was insane. Ghostboard absolutely nailed the meta trade, and if you were tracking options whales using the dashboard, you had every opportunity to catch this 22-point move. Let me break it down for you step by step and show you exactly how we track this trade from pre-market to execution, all thanks to the power of Ghostboard. When you follow whale activity and smart money flow, the results speak for themselves. So let's go over exactly what happened and why this trade played out perfectly. Before the market even opened, Meta was already on our radar as one of the strongest setups in the Magnificent Seven. This wasn't just a random pick. Ghostboard's data showed us key indicators that Meta had high potential for a move today. During the pre-market stream in the community, we mapped out the exact trigger levels for Meta at 592.32 being the high and 574.77 being the low. We also discussed an upside target of 604, which was taken out perfectly. This means we already had a game plan before the market even opened, so no chasing, no guessing, just waiting on confirmation and execution. But then, right at market open, something huge happened. As soon as the market opened, we spotted a massive wave of bullish meta call activity coming in. And I'm not just talking about small positions, these were whales making serious moves. The 600 strike for weekly expirations, next week expirations, and even 620 strikes for next month expirations all were picking up some heavy call activity. Another very unusual point was that Meta's call premium value exceeded past $40 million, completely outweighing the put flow premium. This was an undeniable signal that something big is happening behind the scenes. This is what we call unusual options flow activity, also known as whales activity, and it's one of the most powerful tools in trading. The market doesn't move randomly. Big money moves first, and then we just follow along. If you're not tracking flow like this, you're falling behind. With this massive options flow activity coming in, it was time to act. I immediately shared this in the Ghostboard Discord community and also shared it at the Tenet trade group. I tagged everyone so no one would miss this move. If you were paying attention, you had every opportunity to take advantage of this trade. Meta ripped through our trigger level at 598.20 and did not slow down. It ran all the way up to 610, giving a 30-point move on the day. And the options contracts, they paid over 350%. Meaning a $1,000 position could have turned into $4,500 in just 1 hour. I personally made over $8,000 profit on this trade alone today. And I'm not the only one who caught this trade. Just look at the insane results from the people using the Ghostboard dashboard. These traders absolutely crushed this setup on Meta today, following the smart money and whales. Traders were tagging me left and right in their profits. Some of them were getting 200, 300%, and I love to see that. I love helping you all out find some success in trading by following a simple and reliable edge. This is why tracking real-time flow and following smart money is a game changer. It's not just me catching these moves, it's a whole community of traders that are using Ghostboard's data to execute with precision. The results speak for themselves. When you have the right tools, the right plan, and the right data, you put yourself in the best position to win consistently. Now, if you're still trading without real-time flow data, you're missing out on some of the biggest opportunities in the market. Ghostboard gives you an unfair advantage, letting you track whale activity and trade alongside the best traders in the game every single day. You don't have to take my word for it, you can try it yourself. Sign up for the free 7-day trial and test it out and see how powerful this tool is. Click the link in the description below and start trading with smart money by tracking these whales with real-time data. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like and subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you don't miss the greatness we're achieving.